Are you ready to take on the challenge of pouring your own concrete slab? Whether it's for a garage, shed, or driveway, doing it yourself can save you a lot of money. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure your concrete slab is strong, level, and durable. First, let's go over the tools and materials you'll need. You'll need a circular saw, hammer, level, pry bar, safety glasses, and a tape measure. For materials, gather half-inch diameter rebar, 6mm plastic, anchor bolts, concrete, duplex nails, forming lumber, packable fill, and tie wire. Step 1 is preparing the site. Contact your local building department to check if you need a permit and to understand how close to the lot lines you can build. Drive 4 stakes to mark the corners of your slab and use a line level to check the slope of the ground. If the site is sloped, you may need to move a lot of soil or build a retaining wall. Your slab will last longer with less cracking if it's built on solid, well-drained soil. For sandy soil, just scrape off the sod and topsoil. For clay or loam soil, remove enough to allow a 6 to 8 inch layer of compacted gravel. Safety first. Wet concrete can cause severe skin burns. Wear eye protection, long sleeves, long pants, tall rubber boots, and gloves. If your clothes get wet with cement, change immediately. Next, set and level one side of the form. Use a 2x12 board for a 5-inch thick slab with thickened edges. Nail it to a corner stake, level it, and nail it to the second corner stake. For longer boards, splice them with a cleat. Stake and brace the side form. Stretch a mason's line above the top edge of the 2x12. Align the board with the string and brace it with pairs of 2x4s every 2 feet. This prevents the form from bowing out when you pour the concrete. Fill and level the site with granular fill, tamping it down in 3-inch layers. Leave a 12-inch deep trench around the perimeter for the thickened edge. If you're building a heated structure, cover the ground with 6mm plastic sheeting. Tie in the rebar to strengthen the slab. Cover the fill with plastic sheeting, then lay a grid of rebar spaced 4 feet apart. Tie the intersections with wire and secure the perimeter rebar to stakes. Prepare for the concrete truck by calculating the amount of concrete needed. Multiply the length, width, and depth of the slab, then divide by 27 to get the cubic yards. Add 5% to your total. Call the Ready Mix Company and explain your project. For our slab, we needed 7 yards of a 3,500-pound mix with 5% air entrainment. Pour and level the concrete by dragging a straight 2x4 across the top of the forms. Make multiple passes to ensure a flat surface. Use a bull float to smooth the surface, but avoid overfloating to prevent weakening the slab. Round off the slab edges with an edging tool once the surface water disappears. Set the anchor bolts before the concrete hardens, placing them 1 foot from corners and every 6 feet. Finally, cut control joints to minimize random cracks. Use a groover along the edge of a straight 2x4, making progressively deeper cuts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can pour a concrete slab that's strong, level, and built to last. Remember, preparation and attention to detail are key. Thanks for watching and good luck with your project. For more tips and detailed guides, visit Family Handyman.